Okay, so on this instructional video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to, again, make folders on the Hub or create folders on the Hub for students to upload their work. And then after we do that, I'm going to show you all how to copy these folders into all of your classes, okay, the long way. On Wednesday, when I see you guys, I'm going to be showing you all the easy way to do it, but the long way is always the most sure way and the most effective way to do it. Okay, so here we go. So of course, when you log on to the Hub, it's going to take you to the HISD page. I just want to point out something real quick. HISD put out this video that shows you guys how to copy content onto the Hub. Okay, so you know how to copy and move files from one course to another, or to copy files to all your courses. You can just go ahead and view this video, and it's pretty useful. It'll show you, take you through the steps. I'm going to show you how to do that as well in this video. So okay, so first we want to go to actually Milby High School, and if we scroll down, we'll see our courses here on this content block. Now if you're seeing all your semester 1 courses, you know that's no good. We're basically not using those courses anymore, so all you want to see here are your semester 2 courses. Okay, the way you change that is by clicking on courses, and if you notice there's a little star here right under archive. Okay, if the star is golden, right, or if I activate the star, for example, let's look at Hub Campus Coordinator course and Hub Trainer of Teacher course. So let's click on these two. When I activate these and make these stars gold, basically what will happen is they'll go ahead and reappear in my content block. Let's go back to the content block, and I'm going to scroll down to Milby High School, to my courses, and notice how they appear here again. Hub Campus Coordinator course, Hub Trainer of Teacher course. Now if I want to remove these, so for example, let's say you have a lot of courses you don't want, i.e. semester 1 courses, then the way you take them off is by going to courses, unclicking the star or deactivating the star by clicking on it, and so these courses will no longer appear when I go to the courses block in the Milby High School page. You see, so I got rid of the TOT, Trainer of Teachers, and the Hub Training course. Okay, so that'll clean this up, so that way you only have your semester 1 courses. Now the quickest way to access your courses is to click on this drop down menu. This drop down menu will show me the same classes that appear in this content block. Okay, so here are my courses right here. So that is actually the quickest way to access your courses. Okay, so now I'm just going to choose a course from either clicking on courses, drop down menu, or from my course content block. Let's say I'm gonna add content folders to my sandbox course, which is Soto's 8th grade ELA course. Okay, so you would be clicking on the course you want to add the folder to. Alright, so once you're in your course that you want to modify or add the folder to, on the left, if you haven't cleaned this up already, I suggest that you do that. Pick out what you want, throw away what you don't want. You're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to add a folder for student work. So here I created these folders: tests and quizzes, resources, warm-ups, activities, exit tickets, turn in work here, discussions, and student projects. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to edit this. But what you would do is you would add a new folder. Let's click on add new folder. I'm going to click add, click on folder, and I'm going to create a student Dropbox. So that way I'll designate this folder for all my kids to turn in their work. Okay, so I'll label it, I can description, be like, please turn work in here. Alright, and I hit save. And then remember, you can always rename these folders. So for example, what I was going to do is I was actually going to click here and rename this folder. to Student Dropbox, but I just went ahead and created a new folder. Okay, so now you could just direct the kids to add their work in here whenever they're done. So say you have an assignment under activities, it's a Word, they download it, they edit it, they add their answers, then they can just go in here, click add, they'll upload the file, and that way they'll be submitting their work without having to clog your email. Okay, so now that we've created this folder for kids to turn in their work, what we want to do now is we want to go ahead and copy this folder to the rest of my courses. I want to add this folder to all my courses. As a matter of fact, say you want to add all these folders that you created to all the other courses. Okay, the way you do that is you have to go back up on the navigation tree, click on the master folder. The master folder is a folder that has the same name as your course name. Okay, so for you guys it'll be like semester 2 physics 1A or semester 2 biology AP, etc. Click on the master folder. Then we're going to click on the folder we want to copy, or the content that we want to copy. In this case, I want to copy the Student Dropbox. So I'm going to click there. Then I'm going to go to action. And then I'm going to say copy to. So after that, I'm going to go here to the drop down menu and I'm going to select the course that I want to add this to. So let's say that I want to add it to Milby Staff, okay, and then I could delete it later, but we're going to copy it to Milby Staff. So I click on the course and then click copy, and then pretty much I just copied this folder into my Milby Staff. So let's go ahead and check to see if that was indeed the case. So I'll go to courses, go to Milby Staff, and I'll check at the bottom, and indeed there it is. So I just copied that to the Dropbox, and you can repeat the process. And now I can go here, go to the master folder, say I want to copy it to my next course. Click on the folder I want to copy, hit action, copy to, and then you can just go class by class. So then say I want to add it onto this course, and I would hit copy, and then it would be at the bottom. Okay, so that's pretty much how you create a folder for kids to submit their work into, and then go ahead and copy that folder so that you add it to the rest of your courses.